Welcome to Prepped Transcribe, the local first transcription and meeting note-keeping tool. What does local first mean? Well, speech to text and the meeting notes itself, everything is done locally on your device. You see here in the settings which voice-to-text model we are using. So it's the Parakeet NVIDIA model running on your MacBook. You have a few other setup keys here. For example, you can have a dictation hotkey, which means if you're pressing the right command key, you can input your voice to text into any app or any note-keeping tool that you are currently using, or any chat app, for example, Teams or Slack, where you need to put an update in for your team members and stuff like this. And here's the interesting part. It's the AI model that is used for the meeting notes that are created based on the transcription that you are providing. If I go to all meetings, I see all my meetings here with specific notes, and I am starting a new meeting right here with one click of a button. And I do see that audio is picked up. If I need to change input devices, because maybe I just put my headphones on or my AirPods, I can switch this right here. Other than that, audio is also inputted from the computer itself, which means that if you're sitting in a Teams meeting, a Zoom meeting, Google Meets, it doesn't really matter because Prepped will input the computer audio and there's no bot in the meeting present, and everything will be transcribed and picked up. And if you stop the meeting and the audio file hopefully is long enough so that a transcription will be done and the meeting notes will be created. If you have like a half an hour or an hour meeting, this might take a little bit longer because everything is running locally and it's obviously putting a little bit of pressure on the CPU and GPU of your laptop. But after a few minutes, it should be done and you should have your meeting notes saved right here. Everything is local. And you can obviously also change stuff. So if you're not satisfied with what the model provided to you, you can refine your notes here and give it another try. Obviously, we're working on making this tool better and better. So hopefully we can receive a lot of feedback from you and see how you're using Prepped Transcribe. Thanks.